How to show sale badge on product pictures in your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very easy and simple to do. So the first thing is that you will need to have products with actual compare at price or that are basically on sale for this to show. So you can just click on any product and make it on sale. To do that, you simply just want to scroll down until you find the price option. And you want to add a compare at price. The compare at price is basically going to be the higher one, and the price is going to be the lower one, which is after sale. So once you do this step, you need to go to your Shopify app store and look up this app right here and click on install. Once you install the app, go to your online store, themes, click on edit theme. Then click on the top left, you should be able to find app embeds, click on that and make sure that this app right here, which is the product labels app, is turned on and click on save from the top right corner. Next, just go ahead and click on the apps section and select it. And basically just want to go to the label and badge option and click on create. And we're just going to go ahead and create a text badge. And you're just going to basically customize it to your liking. So the first thing that we all need to do is just click on the collection page and make it product page, which is going to just be the preview, and then later on we're just going to select where it's actually going to be displayed in. So this is going to be where we can actually change how things look like. We can make it a solid fill, gradient, background, so you can just feel free to take your time, change it however you like, and then we can even change the positioning of it, whether it's going to be inside the product image or outside of it. And if you want it to be inside, you can even, choose where you want it to be. So I'm just going to pick it to be on the top right corner. Next up, you're just going to add the content in here. So you can just go ahead and do, for example, save 20%. But this is not a placeholder. This is going to be static text. So if you want to use placeholders, you can just click on auto text and choose whichever one that you actually want. So I'm just going to use this percentage one and just keep it at that. Next up, you can just feel free to change the text color, and the background color is right over here. You can just feel free to change that as well. And you have just some more options here when it comes to the font size, some adjustments and so on. But at the end of the day, you can just click on products next. And in here, you're just going to basically select the products that this is going to apply to. In my case, this is the product that I have, which is on sale. So I'm just going to click on add. And then we're just going to select where it's going to be displayed in. So click on display, and I'm just going to leave it to be in the product page. I don't need it to be on anything else. And once we're happy with all of this, we simply just click on save. And we are pretty much good to go. We can just view our online store and see that it is going to be on our product images. Just make sure you actually select the proper product. You can see the badge right away. So in my case, I don't like the size of it. So what I would do is just go back to the app, click on adjust to this badge and just change the size of it. And that's pretty much all we need to do. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.